Or he could be right there.
You know Metal Sonic, right? He's been upgraded with all the video game motion capture data I recorded.
Fuck me! Who do you think you are? So you think you can play me? Alright.
We have to coordinate a spin attack from opposite sides.
I take orders from no one.
I love this. Take this.
Take that!
Oh. Hey, what are you doing?
Except that.
Looks like it's time. What the hell?
Injuries or not, we gotta step up!
So Sonic, you have teammates now? Oh yeah? How about this?
Hey! Hammers are my thing!
It's mine now! Huh? Really? Too easy. Huh? What the hell do you guys think you're doing? Enough! First in the
Look at you
elevator.
celebrating like the game's been won. This is only the beginning of the end.
Alright, kinda cryptic, Shadow. You wanna elaborate on that one?
I'm no longer satisfied simply taking vengeance on that lackwit Eggman. I want revenge on this whole pathetic universe. That's why I took those mustached fools to a secret location.
With both Eggmen in this dimension, there will be a catastrophic anomaly that'll destroy our entire universe!
Now you're catching on.